Hi everybody. I want to thank, first of all, for this collaboration that I am so excited about being a part of. Dianna from She Leaves a Little Sparkle and Hanna from Hanna Walkins. Go check out their channels. They are so sweet, really sweet ladies. And I'll leave their link in my description box below along with all the other participants. Okay, let's get started. Up on my top shelf, and this bar cart has 3 levels. On the first shelf, I have my beverage container that I have had forever, but it has served me well. I've used it for many baby showers, bridal showers, parties. I just love it. So I put this on to this bar cart, and my bar cart, my feel of it is more like a Pollyanna. I don't know how many people have ever watched Pollyanna, the Disney movie, years and years ago, but this is the feeling I have when I look at this bar cart. So I have a butterfly in the back, an oversized butterfly from the Dollar Tree, and that is just resting on the handle of the bar cart. And then again, my beverage dispenser. And then over here, the flowers that I have are from Walmart, and I put them in this pretty blue bottle which held a beverage, and I kept it. And I wished I would have kept everybody else's now that I see how pretty it is. But I knew that I could use this for the 4th, and I'm using it for a vase for my flowers. And then over here, I made some faux ice cream, and I have a video on that. I will leave the video in the upper right hand corner where you can click onto it if you're interested in making faux desserts at all. Also down here, the little ice cream cups, I did not like what the ice cream cup looked like, so what I did is I took a napkin, a 4th of July napkin, and I Mod Podged it onto the container, and then over here I used a cupcake liner, and I like the way those turned out. And I have this one ice cream cup sitting on a cupcake stand that I got from Target. And you know what? No, it isn't Target. I take it back. It was from the 99-cent store. That's right. Yep, the red cupcake stand was from the 99-cent store. Sorry. And then over here, I have this strawberry plant that I got from Hobby Lobby, along with these little daisies that I've had for a long, long time. And then I just put a white paper doily underneath the cupcake stand, along with some daisies that I took off the stems and just laid them. I like the way they look that way. And then this Uncle Sam's hat came from the Dollar Tree. And I think there were 6 in a package. So that is the first level of this bar cart. And the flag, the American flag, I also got that from the Dollar Tree, and I think that was in a set of 3, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so let's go to the second shelf. Over here, I did a video on making faux cupcakes. So I made those and put them into some patriotic cupcake liners. And I have this in a cupcake stand from Hobby Lobby that I purchased a couple years ago. I'll also leave a link to how I made these if you're interested. So look up into your right hand corner if you're interested in that. These are a lot of fun to make, and you can make them for every occasion. And then down here, another daisy with another Uncle Sam's hat. And then I put some red vines into an apothecary jar. And then here's another faux ice cream. And that one is sitting on a candlestick right there. So here is, let me move back. Here is the first and second shelf. Also, I've done videos before on my bar cart, and people have asked where I got it. I got it from Amazon, and I think they still sell them. I'm pretty sure. So there is the second shelf. All right, let's go on to the third. On the third shelf, I have a red pitcher along with glasses that go with it that my son got me a few years ago for Mother's Day. And along with that, I have a couple of bottles of, well, one's lemonade and the other one is raspberry cranberry from Trader Joe's, which I love. And that pitcher is just sitting on a white cake stand from Hobby Lobby. Actually, it goes with the, see up here, it goes with this cupcake stand. I got them at the same time. So there's that with another flag. And there's another strawberry bush down there. And then down here is another silk daisy. And then straws. I love to decorate with straws. And I buy the straws during different holidays. And then I just keep them and repurpose them every year and change them up a little bit with other straws that I have. And another Uncle Sam's hat. And then over here is my Pioneer Woman glass pitcher with some lemons in it. And then over here, he wanted to be a part of the decor, so I had to put a patriotic bow on him, which came from the Dollar Tree. So let me give you an overall look again. Here we go with the first shelf. And then here's the second. And then down to the third. So I want to thank Hanna and Dianna once again. Hanna from Hanna Walkins channel and Dianna from She Leaves a Little Sparkle. Please go check them out. I want to thank everybody that came over to my channel to watch my part in this collaboration. I want to thank you so much. Thank you girls for this, you're sweethearts. I loved participating in your collaboration. Loved it. Love you guys. Love all of you. So, until my next video, DIY, home tour, whatever I'm doing, I never know what I'm going to be doing next, but I wanted to thank all of you again, and remember, don't ever forget this, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.